Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So yesterday we saw that there was a very good buying in the Nifty index, and Nifty is now closed at 19,727 level. So during the day, the private banks, PSU banks, realty stocks, these were the counters which contributed to the rally, whereas the FMCG and pharmaceutical stocks were in slightly negative. So now if we talk of the chart pattern, then I believe that now we are coming to confirm uptrend, and looking at the chart pattern, this all-time high levels of 19,991 is likely to be taken out. So the view is bullish, and maybe we may see new highs on the higher side. So bias is very strongly positive. So recently, in the last couple of days, the levels of 19,400 was the lower side support. So that should be the immediate support. And directionally, if you see, then last 3 4 weeks, 19,200 was the base. So this 19,400 and 19,200 is the base on the lower side. And I believe with yesterday's closing, we should be heading toward the 20,000 level or 20,000 plus level. If we look at the Bank Nifty has also given a range breakout. So there, if we, this range is from the past 18 trading sessions range, so that range has been taken out in the higher side. Bank Nifty has a resistance at 45,000. So that is the most of the call writing which we have seen at those levels. So now the way the Bank Nifty has closed yesterday with the 469 points positive, I think this 45,000 level will be taken out, and we will be talking of 46,000, 46,500 on the higher side. So the bias for both the Nifty and Bank Nifty is positive. On the lower side, whenever there is a correction, I think we should be looking for a fresh re-entry for the directional call. So what we believe is mid caps and small cap has already made a good run up. So there is a now again the high beta stocks like HDFC Bank, Axis, ICICI Bank, L&T, Bajaj Finserv, and Reliance. So these are the high beta stocks which I believe will contribute to the rally, and the focus should be more on the blue chip counters. Now talking of the derivatives report. So there was a fresh long built up in Nifty futures to the tune of 6.70%. The put call ratio has also jumped from 1.32 to 1.56. So this is positive. If you look at the OI data, the call built up was seen at 19,800 and 20,000. So this is the resistance. And on the put front, 19,600 and 19,700. So that is going to act as a support. If you look at the Bank Nifty, so there was a short covering in Bank Nifty to the tune of 0.64%. The put call ratio has also gained from 0.81 to 1.32 ratio. So this is again a positive. On the call rating, 45,000 and 45,300. So this will act as an immediate resistance, but I believe this gradually overall we should move above this level. Lower side on the put side, 44,500 and 44,800. So this will act as a support. There are a lot of stocks in the band: Balrampur Chini, BAIL, Hindustan Copper, Enable Housing Finance, India Cement, Delta Corp, Manappuram Finance, SAIL, and PNB. So there are quite a lot of stocks which are in the band. Lastly, I would like to update on the FIS index position. So yesterday they are went long by 17,000 contract, and this net they are net long by 21,000 contract, and this long short ratio is now reached at 57%. So as I've also mentioned earlier, whenever this FI create their position and do when they and their positions move about 25,000, then they also come into aggressive long position. So overall, looking at the FI figure and the index close, I think we are in going to see some good amount of move in the next couple of weeks. So we should be heading for the 20,000 plus level on the Nifty and 46,500 level for the Bank Nifty. So bias is positive, decline should be viewed as a buying opportunity. So that's a technical view. I'll hand out to Bunty sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Thank you, Brijesh sir. Good morning, team. A few updates from my side, starting with HCL Technologies. HCL Technology, a leading global technology company, has signed a multi-year managed public cloud services agreement with German technology and high-tech industry giant Siemens AG to modernize its IT landscape worldwide and power cloud-led digital transformation. Company will focus on automating the public cloud environment while adhering to Siemens high security standards. Company will migrate and operate Siemens infrastructure on AWS and Azure and ensure its cloud resources are optimized, secure, and scalable, allowing the company to focus on its core business. This bodes very well for the HCL Technologies. Next is on the PVR Inox. PVR Inox has announced the opening of Paras Cinema in a new avatar at Nehru Place, New Delhi. This launch marks the opening of the fifth IMAX in Delhi and the second standalone IMAX theater. Apart from this, Jawan has received a healthy response of 75 crores collection on a day one. And if you remember, during this quarter, there were few super hit blockbuster movies came which have a good collection. So this quarter should be very much strong for the PVR Inox well. So this bodes very well for the PVR Inox stock performance as such. Next, sorry, next Majgaon Dock. Majgaon Dock has signed master ship repair agreement with the US government represented by an NAVSUP Fleet Logistics Center, that is FLC Yokosuka. This is a non-financial agreement. There are only two shipyards in the country, including MDL Majgaon Dock, who signed MSRA. This agreement is expected to open up voyage repairs of US Navy ships at Majgaon Dock. This very well bodes positively for Mazgaon Dock. Next, on the road sector, Morth expects 3x increase in the income of NHAI once there is a completion of Bharatmala Pariyojana. Currently, NHAI is under heavy leverage, and this has led to muted awarding till date. But going forward, Ministry assures to increase in awarding and overall income increase is positive for NHAI and uptick in awarding, and thus it's positive for road contractors. From stock point of view, increase in road awarding bodes well for construction companies like KNR Construction, Ashoka Buildcon, Dilip Buildcon, and PNC Infratech. Our top picks are currently PNC Infratech. Next is on the Sterlite Technologies. The company has partnered with True Vista, a provider of broadband services and applications, to drive the growth and enhancement of South Carolina's rural connectivity infrastructure. True Vista is investing around $12 million in rural broadband, a significant portion of which will be dedicated to South Carolina. So this seems to be positive with respect to Sterlite Technologies. Lastly, on the Exide Industries, the company said they are planning to invest 100 crores in subsidiary Exide Energy Solutions via rights issue. So this unit is involved in the manufacturing of advanced chemistry battery cells. So that's it from my side. Over to you, Hitendra sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir, and good morning, everyone. Continuing with further updates, starting with ONGC. ONGC said that it's going to invest 15,000 crores in Opal as a part of financial restructuring exercise after sea gas utility deal being edged out of the petrochemical fund. ONGC currently holds 49.36 stake in ONGC Petro Irrigations and which operates a mega petrochemical plant at Dahej in Gujarat. And 49% is with Gujarat State, that is GTSC, that has the 1.3% stake. Samvadna Motherson says that it has inaugurated new wiring harness facility located at Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone. This is Sheikh Out and UAE and Supreme Council member and ruler and formally integrated this facility at Emirate of Ras Al in Khaimah UAE. Landmark Cars has signed a letter of intent with Mahindra and Mahindra for opening a dealership in Howrah, West Bengal. The dealership will establish one of the wholly owned subsidiary of Landmark Car, namely Landmark Mobility Private Limited. This will include sales and after sales of Mahindra's personal pickup and super range of areas in the Howrah, Hubli, Kolkata, North 24 Paraganas and South 24 Paraganas region. TJS Networks says that it has received a mobilization advance of 750 crore from TCS towards the supply of radio access networks equipment for BSNL Pan India 4G 5G network. Hitachi Energy has won a contract from Ayana Renewable Power to provide a grid connection solution for their upcoming 300 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant in Takane. The company will provide an engineering, procurement, and construction management package that connects all the power generated by the plant and transfer it to the national transmission system. UBL, part of Heineken Group, has appointed Vivek Gupta as the MD and CEO for effective on 25th September, the company announced in a press release. With respect to Reliance Industries, Viacom controlled Reliance has picked up an exclusive media rights for television streaming of ISL Indian, that is Super League football matches for next two seasons. The 10th season of the ISL is going to start on 21st September between Kerala Blasters and Bangalore FC in Kochi. ICICI Securities, the Norway Government Pension Fund and the Indian PMS has poised to oppose the proposal of delisting of ICICI amongst growing chorus of the discontent among investors who perceive the stock ripe for potential revaluation. Norway Norges Bank holds a 3.3% stake in the portfolio of PMS and Southern India, and also holds approximately 3% stake in the company. Ashok Leyland will channel its capital expenditure towards developing various alternative fuel technologies for commercial vehicles for the next 18 months, even as it works on lowering development costs. But Partners Executive Chairman Dheeraj Hinduja said the company is known for its trucks and buses and has marked a significant capex in this financial year. As a part of it, will direct it towards building products and automotive fuel systems. Uh, for the Nazara Technology, SBI funds have acquired around 8% stake in the online gaming fund Nazara Technology for 110 crores, and this is after the 100 crores surprise. Zerodha company also has put up a stake in that. And if you see that the firm will issue 5.74 million preference share on the preferential basis, which at the rate of 740 rupees. Special edition comes Anubhav Dhawan has appointed the Gopal Agarwal as a CEO from September 11, and is a chartered accountant, and it was MD and head of investment banking business Edelweiss Limited. Adani Toll Gas is going to set up a complex biogas plant in Uttar Pradesh agency. Next is Wonderla also has upgraded from a long-term rating company from ICRA A plus to ICRA AA minus. Yesterday's insurance company's AP, that is August premium has come there to represent the 16% for IOI. For ICICI Lombard, for Star Health, we have seen a 19% growth. For Max Life, we have seen 36% growth. HDFC Life grew by 26%, while SBI Life grew by 15.7% YOY. And last update would be JB Chemicals. Lakshay Kataria has resigned as a CFO from the company. So that's it from mine. I'll hand over to Shantanu for more updates.
या थैंक यू हितेंद्र एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के हिंदी अपडेट्स के साथ. फर्स्ट अपडेट जो है वो है HCL टेक के ऊपर, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने एक जो है मल्टी ईयर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया है, मैनेज पब्लिक क्लाउड सर्विसेज एग्रीमेंट जो है विद जर्मन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड हाईटेक इंडस्ट्री जायंट सीमेंस. ये ओवरऑल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है ये होगा टू मॉडर्नाइज द IT लैंडस्केप वर्ल्ड वाइड एंड पावर क्लाउड लेड डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए. ओवरऑल एक काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा HCL टेक के लिए. नेक्स्ट अपडेट जो है वो है PVR आइनॉक्स के ऊपर, जहाँ पे PVR आइनॉक्स ने अनाउंस किया है कि वो अपना पारस सिनेमा जो है विच इज इन नेहरू प्लेस न्यू दिल्ली उसको रीओपन करेंगे. ये जो लॉन्च है ये एक ओपनिंग भी मार्क करता है फॉर द 5th IMAX इन दिल्ली एंड सेकेंड स्टैंड अलोन IMAX थिएटर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस. अगर बात करें तो जवान मूवी कल रिलीज हुई थी एंड उसको काफी पॉजिटिव रेस्पॉन्स मिला है. कलेक्शन के बेसिस पे बात करें तो ओवर ₹75 करोड़ का कलेक्शन डे 1 में हुआ है. ये काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा PVR आइनॉक्स के लिए एंड इसका एक पॉजिटिव जो है इम्पैक्ट आज स्टॉक प्राइस पे भी देखने मिल सकता है. नेक्स्ट अपडेट जो है वो है मजगांव डॉक के ऊपर. अगेन एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट है, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने एक जो है मास्टर शिप रिपेयर एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है US गवर्नमेंट के साथ बाय NAVSUP फ्लीट लॉजिस्टिक्स सेंटर. ये जो है एक नॉन फाइनेंशियल एग्रीमेंट है एंड यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 शिपयार्ड जो है कंट्री में इंक्लूडिंग MDL जिन्होंने MSRA साइन किया है. ओवरऑल एग्रीमेंट की अगर बात करें तो ये इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू ओपन अप वेग रिपेयर्स ऑफ US नेवी शिप्स एट MDL. सो अगेन एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा मजगांव डॉक के लिए. अगला अपडेट जो है वो है एक्साइड इंडस्ट्रीज के ऊपर. एक स्लाइटली न्यूट्रल अपडेट है, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने प्लान किया है टू इन्वेस्ट ₹100 crores इन सब्सिडरी एक्साइड एनर्जी सॉल्यूशंस थ्रू अ राइट इशू. ये जो यूनिट है इट इज इन्वॉल्व इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ एडवांस्ड केमिस्ट्री बैटरी सेल्स। इसके अलावा कुछ और अपडेट्स की अगर बात करें तो एलटीआई माइंड ट्री पे एक अपडेट है जहाँ पे कंपनी ने एक एडस्पार्क एंड स्मार्ट सर्विस ऑपरेशंस लॉन्च किया है फॉर रिटेल मीडिया, जो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा एलटीआई माइंड ट्री के लिए। अदानी टोटल गैस की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी जो है ये कंप्रेस्ड बायोगैस प्लांट सेटअप करने जा रही है उत्तर प्रदेश में, जो अगेन एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा अदानी टोटल गैस के लिए। टाटा स्टील की अगर बात करें तो टाटा स्टील एंड अवाडा साइन पैक्ट जो है फॉर ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन एंड ग्रीन अमोनिया प्रोजेक्ट, ये इन्होंने अंडरटेक किया उड़ीसा में। सो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट है टाटा स्टील के लिए भी। स्टार हेल्थ की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी का जो अगस्त मंथ का प्रीमियम है वहां पे एक 19% ईयर ऑन ईयर की बढ़त देखने मिली है, जो एक पॉजिटिव थिंग है स्टार हेल्थ के लिए। एचडीएफसी लाइफ की भी अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पे भी अगस्त प्रीमियम जो है वो 25.9% ईयर ऑन ईयर से ग्रो हुआ है। एट द सेम टाइम मैक्स लाइफ की अगर बात करें तो इनका प्रीमियम जो है 35.6% से ग्रो हुआ है ऑन ए ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस अगस्त के महीने में। अशोक लेलैंड के ऊपर एक अपडेट है जहाँ पे अनवील्ड इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट कमर्शियल व्हीकल्स जो है फ्रॉम स्विच मोबिलिटी जो है उन्होंने इंडिया का फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिक कमर्शियल व्हीकल कैटेगरी जो है एंटर किया है। सो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा अशोक लेलैंड के लिए। इसी के साथ फाइनल अपडेट जो है वो है आईसीआईसीआई प्रूडेंशियल के ऊपर, जहाँ पे इनका जो अगस्त प्रीमियम था वहां पे एक 5.4% का डिक्लाइन देखने मिला है ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे। सो एक थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव टू न्यूट्रल अपडेट होगा आईसीआईसीआई प्रूडेंशियल के लिए। इसी के साथ अगर कल के मार्केट की अगर बात करें तो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश मोमेंटम कल के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में देखने मिला था। निफ्टी की अगर बात करें तो निफ्टी ने 19700 लेवल्स के ऊपर कल एक ब्रेकआउट दिया था एंड क्लोज भी किया था। सो गोइंग इनटू टुडे एक पॉजिटिव बायस रहेगा निफ्टी में, एंड आने वाले कुछ दिनों में निफ्टी 19900 टू 20000 मार्क टच करना निफ्टी से एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है। बैंक निफ्टी की अगर बात करें तो अभी तक बैंक निफ्टी 45000 लेवल्स के नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, बट अगेन कल के सेशन में एक स्ट्रॉन्ग अपवर्ड मूव देखने मिला था। सो होपफुली 45000 का जो रेंज है ये बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेक करेगा ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेशन है। एंड अगर 45000 ब्रेक हो जाएगा तो अगेन एक शॉर्ट कवरिंग देखने मिलेगी विच वुड लीड टू फर्दर बुलिश मोमेंटम। कुछ स्टॉक्स की अगर बात करें जहाँ पे आज के सेशन पे नजर रखी जा सकती है तो वो है बाटा इंडिया, चोला फाइनेंस एंड आईजीएल। इसी के साथ अगर एफ आई एस एंड डी आई एस की बात करें तो कल के सेशन में कैश मार्केट में एफ आई एस ने 758.55 करोड़ की सेलिंग की, जबकि डी आई एस ने 28.11 करोड़ की बाइंग की थी। फ्यूचर्स डेटा के ऊपर अगर नजर डालें तो कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे कल के सेशन में लॉन्ग बिल्डअप देखने मिला था वो है ग्रैन्यूल्स इंडिया, एल एन टी एंड बाटा इंडिया। जबकि कुछ ऐसे स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप देखने मिला है वो है बिरला सॉफ्ट, रैमको सीमेंट्स एंड ब्रिटानिया। So this was all from our end. Thank you for attending the morning con call. Have a good day.